Oh, look at this angelic creation. Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best rice and vermicelli pilaf. It's buttery, it's fragrant, and it's guaranteed to be a favorite. The first time I ever had this dish, one of my best friend's grandmother cooked it for us, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's get it. I'm gonna start with a stick of butter. I have the heat on low because you don't want to burn the butter. You just want to slowly bring it to a light golden brown color. Once the butter develops a golden color, to this I'm gonna add in our alliums, diced onions, and our garlic. Give this a quick stir. Not every rice and vermicelli pilaf has onions and garlic to it, but it definitely adds in a lot of great flavor to elevate the dish. And now I'm just gonna add in our vermicelli. You just wanna roast it in the butter until it turns brown. You just wanna keep stirring this and keep your eyes on this because it can easily go from golden brown to burnt in just a matter of seconds. And if you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious dish at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes. Once our vermicelli gets nice and toasted, I'm gonna add in equal amounts of rice. I'm using a very fragrant long grain rice, basmati. Make sure that before you add it in, you rinse the rice really well until the water runs clear. This is gonna help get rid of all the starch that's in there so the rice will be nice and flaky. And just toast the rice a little bit too. Once the vermicelli is browned and the rice is a little bit toasted, I'm gonna add in our chicken stock. You wanna use chicken stock or chicken bouillon since they carry a lot of great flavor over, say, just a chicken broth or water. This, I'm gonna season it with some fresh ground black pepper and some salt. This is coming to a boil, so I'm gonna close this and let it cook on medium. The key is to not mess with it while it cooks. You wanna keep the lid on so all that steam doesn't escape. Just trust the process, have faith in the rice, and you'll know it's done when the steam slows down and the rice on top goes from clear to white. And there you have it, folks. Rice and vermicelli pilaf. Cheers.